Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Good day, forex traders. Good day, forex traders. Um, so we are about to have a market view about this pair called the GU, otherwise known as Great British Pound versus the United States dollar. Since the markets are off today, we're gonna be having like a deep kind of analysis. I would like to teach you guys a little bit more about these pairs and how to actually generalize your mind. Okay? Yes, so if we were to actually look at it in a monthly perspective of view, we can actually capture the price coming. Okay, wait for me a little bit, guys. So we can clearly see that the market has been coming from up there. So the market has been coming from up here, right? And then it has reached the lowest right there and right there. So if we can dive deeper, we can see that the market actually respects its analysis, right? And it respects its lines. So if you can see here, this line of support has been actually respected when we come to this side. So technical analysis is very powerful because it works. It shows that it works, but then you have to not look at it one-sided. So I want to teach you guys about something today, about something to avoid when you trade the market. When you trade the market, you must actually look at all the points in the market before you can actually execute a trade. Gather as much information as you can before you can actually take the trade, right? So most people here, supposedly the 95% are gonna be holding this trade up, right? They're gonna be holding this, expecting it to be a sell, right? They're gonna really want to short the market all the way towards this part, right? They're gonna set their TP here, probably they're gonna set their stop loss here, and so forth and so on. But then I want you guys to know that the market is something that is very, very dynamic in a way that it evolves, right? It knows what you think. It knows that a lot of people have captured this thing. So if it went up to this thing, then a lot of people will be making money because now it's the first touch, second touch barely, and then third, and then the fourth touch was broken and so forth. So the people are expecting the market to do what? To do a retest before it goes towards the downside and touch this part. But guys, one thing that I really, really want you to know is that the market might be beginning, listen to me carefully, the market might be beginning a trend. The market might be beginning a trend. It might be beginning a new trend to actually push up, because bear in mind we've already reached this major support. Remember, we've reached this major support. So if you get much information about the market, you can actually see that the market kept on bouncing back from this line. How many times? Quite a number of times, right? So and then it came here to support here, and then it broke, and then it went up again, and then now it's coming to this very, very much important zone right here. This zone is very important. It gives out a lot of information. So bear in mind, guys, that the market is actually going to buy. There's a lot of chances that the market is going to buy. Because why? Because the market is trying to do a kind of like market expansion. Okay? So market expansion, if it reaches this point here, and then we're going to be buying the market all the way up from here, because remember this area, this zone right here is very much important. So we're going to be having strong buys, right? And the market doesn't just do this, guys, and then nah and then it breaks out and goes, nah. It might, but I've never like experienced such. So what do we do for entry purposes or entry points? We actually can like now dive deeper to the, let's say we dive deeper to the 4 hourly. Right. As we dive deeper to the 4 hourly, oh, we can clearly see that we can like take more advantage of the market. Right. We have this right here, right? If we have this, then it's gonna help us actually to trade properly, because we're gonna now draw our trend line here, and we can clearly see that the market might just break towards the upside, right? Might just break towards the upside. So as we do that, we don't want to perfect anything, right? Right. So we can clearly see that we have a perfect market right here, or some kind of like continuation pattern. And we can see that we have this kind of information right here, and we also have, so we can actually take this as a very we can take this as as some kind of like correction. Where's my lines now? I can't even see my lines. All right. Bear with me clearly, guys. We're gonna be buying this market probably next week and stuff. Yes, so this is my overall view of it. Let's cash out FX.